Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can add music to Instagram post with multiple photos. So the first step you need to do is to open Play Store and search for the Instagram. Click on that and you need to update your Instagram application first. Once you done that, you simply need to go back and open Instagram application and click on the plus icon in the bottom and select the post. So I'm going to add these four posts. For example, okay, so I selected multiple pictures. Go on to the next, and in the bottom you can see an option of add music. You simply need to click on that and you can easily add music that you like. So this is the process that you need to follow. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.